big suitcase. So these are remnants in here. So I'm gonna try and open it and see what we have in there. Give the flicker of the light from above there. They do flicker a bit, but this is just to show you just what I had that came out of this bag. So these are 3 remnants that I've received today. So we have a variety of different ones. This feels like a waterproof one. This feels more like a curtain fabric. We have some cotton there. We have some canvas fabric on there. We have some mixture of lining on that one there. Mixture of cotton there. I love this. Nice and shiny. I'll make a nice little top or dress or little night shorts. And we have the fleece, a mixture of fleece fabric set. Sorry, a bit noisy. Yeah, so that amount there is quite a bit. So very pleased. And the only thing that I had to do is to pay for postage. So we're continuing on. We're just collecting some free fabrics to remain as sustainable as we can. We use what's available there. Although we do design our own fabrics, but that is only for limited edition for our customers who want something that is quite creative and artistic that we do in-house. So yeah, if you've got any questions, feel free to send a message. If you are a sustainable business and want to know how to go about getting some free fabrics, just send a message in the inbox or hit us up on our Instagram or TikTok. All right, enjoy.